In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermarks to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place clear, professional-looking text or image watermarks on your documents in just a few clicks. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat. Make sure your PDF is open and visible so you can preview the results as you go. At the very top of the window, look for the Edit option in the main menu bar. Click Edit to reveal editing-related controls. This is where Acrobat groups tools for modifying your PDF's content and layout. Next, select Watermark from the menu. This takes you to the dedicated watermark controls. Watermarks are great for labeling files as draft, confidential, or internal use, and they help you share documents while clearly communicating status or ownership. Choose Add to create a new watermark. Acrobat will open a dialog where you'll set what appears on the page. If you want a simple, effective text overlay, type your wording into the watermark text field. Short phrases work best. Think draft, confidential, or a project name, so the message is obvious without overwhelming the content. You'll see formatting controls that let you adjust how the text looks on the page. Subtle, semi-transparent text typically feels professional and keeps the document easy to read. If you prefer a branded look, you can upload a file instead. Pick the option to use an image watermark and select your logo or graphic from your computer. Clean, high-contrast images with transparent backgrounds generally produce the best results. Keep in mind that a minimal design helps the watermark stay visible without distracting from the actual content of your PDF. As you make selections, keep an eye on the preview so you can confirm that your watermark is legible and placed where you want it. A centered, diagonal placement is common for status labels because it's visible across the page without blocking key details. For logos, a smaller placement near a corner can look refined and consistent. When you're satisfied with what you see, click OK to apply the watermark. Acrobat will process the document and add your text or image to the pages. Take a moment to scroll through a few pages to confirm everything looks as expected. That's it. Your PDF now carries a clear, consistent watermark that communicates exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, go ahead and apply these same steps to your other documents to keep your workflow clean, organized, and professional.